So today I want to make some of these pumpkin things I've seen all over the Instagram. But yeah, that's them in the mirror. I mean, how cute are they? Oh my god. It's a little pumpkin family. So yeah, if you're interested on how to make a beautiful, maybe centerpiece or even outside for your patio, little pumpkin, keep watching. All right, so to make these cute little pumpkin things, pumpkin succulents, we're just gonna be using this super moss. Got this at Hobby Lobby for $4.99. So I already have an open package, so I'll use that. And then you will need a hot glue gun or spray adhesive. So I'm just gonna take my hot glue gun. All right, so first just put a nice layer of hot glue on there. We'll start with one side first. Right, and once you've made like a nice little kind of like rat's nest, now it's time to add all the succulents. So I actually went to my closest like nursery and picked up a couple more succulents, but I do have some outside, so these are just extra that I bought. So I am simply just gonna take this one out of the container, get all the soil out, and that's gonna be my centerpiece for this one. All right, so once you have it all clean, then we're just gonna run some hot glue right along the stem and move this out of the way. Place that directly into the center. So fun. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this plant, this succulent, and I'm gonna kind of drape these around the edges, and so I'm just gonna take these directly out. So again, just take it, run some hot glue along the side of it, and you'll just gently place that in to where it drapes down the pumpkin. Cool. Once we have those placed, I'm gonna grab these and place those around the edges too. I'm going to separate them to where they look like this, and I'll just place those inside. And now I'm gonna grab some from my garden. I'll be right back. All right, so these are some I picked from my garden, so I'm just gonna chop these off. I will also add these in there. So that is going to be my finished pumpkin. I have a bunch of other little ones to do, so I'll fast forward through those. But yeah, this is my huge, this is a Cinderella pumpkin, and I'll zoom in for you. All right, so this is my finished, these are my finished mini pumpkins. So these would make a great little gift, maybe for your neighbor. But yeah, super fast, super fun, and I'll show you the big one again too. So again, this is all of them all together. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Alright, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.